14,000 pounds of lime in 10 minutes. Come on, Doc. Is this some kind of clickbait? No, it's actually a funny kind of story. So we're going up to the upper fields this morning, and I've got a lime delivery coming. It's 7 tons, 14,000 pounds are going to be put on the upper fields. And we didn't realize it. I gave John a camera. I had a drone running, and Anna was shooting a little bit. This guy was so fast, and I mean, it went by like that. And everyone was like running around getting covered in lime. It was actually pretty funny. So I ended up, the guy was really nice, young guy, and I told him, I said, can you hold up a second? I said, we're trying to shoot some video. I said, you're actually going really fast. And I mean, it was going to be done in no time at all. So he waited, we got set up a little bit, so I got some really cool footage. But if you've been following my channel, we have really high potassium, and this is what we warn you about. We talk about this in the lawn guides. Get the lawn guides, they're free. Getting a soil test, understanding your soil, and that potassium is causing our soil to flatten down the clay, creating a real concrete base. So yesterday we ran a subsoiler. If you didn't watch the subsoiler video, that's a really cool video. It's a straight spike that lifts the dirt up subsoil about 20 inches down. Watch that video. Then we came out, we did a spike aeration back here on this lawn. We put down some lime from Lowe's. That's in the other video. So I'm putting down, 7 tons, 14,000 pounds up there. And it went like this. Let me grab you a chunk of the lime. I'll show you what we're putting down. But tomorrow, hit subscribe, because tomorrow I'll come out. I'm going to reel mow this. John, let me show you the front before we come up here, because that video is going to go pretty quick. Let me show you the front, what we're doing out here. So what are we putting on the upper fields up here? Doesn't that look nice with the colors coming in? Man, I love the fall. This is actually a chunk that fell out of the truck that wasn't crushed. And this is basically limestone, and it's calcium, mostly calcium. It's probably about, what, 40% calcium, and that's what my soil needs. We actually put some down on the front here. Now on this front project, I had John cut this morning. We've been cutting it on level 3. We went down to level 2 because I'm going to get some annual ryegrass and put some annual. And you're going to say, Doc, it's so thick and gorgeous. Why are you doing that? Because there's probably 60, 70%, probably 70, 80% Bermuda still out here. And when this starts to go dormant, I have to have something actively growing to protect my soil so it doesn't go into the pond.
I go straight from the bank, gassing up the tank, cranking up the radio, playing old Hank. It ain't that long till I'm back at the pond. I'm pulling up the truck down at the dock. It's time to do some cruising, baby, get a little stuck. It's a Saturday joyride, Percy Beach is the spot to take the blues away. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time, in our own honky tonk with a bottle of wine. We're going up, we're coming down. Cheers to feeling alright, it's a hell of a time. A hell of a time. Yeah, we're chilling out here, ladies in the rear, our feet in the water, our top disappears, drinking Malibu Patron or a beer in a cup. Girl, I can hook you up. We all get to dance and I get to chancing, kissing that country girl, romancing, a whole lot of love, bumping out of the bar. Yeah, we're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. Here's the feeling alright, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time, in our own honky tonk, meet the big blue sky. We live it up, we got it down. Here's the feeling alright, it's a hell of a time. And I'm falling for a small town girl, so kiss me, darling.